What is up, you guys? My name is Natalie. On today's video, I made up this look, did it, I don't know what you want to call it. I don't know, I did my makeup. I'm going to Go Eat Wings right now, and I was looking pretty bummy, so I came and I was like, what can I do today that looks cute? And I looked at an emoji and I was like, maybe I can well, I got inspired by the freaking emoji, and so yeah, I did this emoji right here. So this is the look that I did. The details will be down below. If you guys did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe below. There is a little surprise giveaway in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. It's not going to be in the end. It's not going to be in the middle. It's not going to be in the first 2 seconds of the video. So make sure you watch it, and then you'll know what the rules are. We will be checking for people to actually follow the requirements. So yeah. Stay tuned. I'm excited for whoever's gonna win. I'm gonna start off with the Soft Glam palette, and then the first thing I'm gonna use is this color here, which is Tempera. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this super bright pink color. This is from the Juvias palette here. I'm gonna tap that in right here, and I'm gonna put that on my crease. Okay, so having added the pink to the side, I'm gonna get the yellow color right here. Again, this is from the same Zulu palette, and with a thin brush like this, I'm gonna pack it on here. I'm gonna just put it over that pink. Okay, and I know it looks crazy right now, but it will look better in just a bit. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of that. Okay, and if I kind of feel like that's not bright enough, so I'm gonna get the BH Cosmetics palette and take me back to Brazil and get this yellow here. I feel like their yellow is definitely a lot brighter. So I'm gonna put that on. Okay, so having done both eyes, I just like kind of put it on top of there. Not layered or anything, and I haven't blended. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this blending brush. This one is from Wet n Wild, and it is dirty, of course. I'm gonna take that same BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna get this bright pink here and put that under and mix them in. So this is gonna use to like, so I can blend it out. And I'm gonna start from the bottom ish, blend it up. I'm getting the yellow here. Okay, so this is the look that I have so far. It looks crazy, I know. Okay, hold on, cut me a break. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I have an idea where it's going, but I don't know. I'm just kind of like getting inspired by the emoji. I'm looking at it here. Then I'm gonna get my Glam concealer, which sucks as a concealer, but it's good as a cut creaser or whatever. And then my little Real Techniques brush. Okay, so I typically don't like to blink because then I mess everything up, considering my eyes are itty bitty. Okay, so next I'm gonna get this dark pink again, the one that I had initially, and put that inside. And then do the same thing with the other side. With that same thin brush from earlier, I'm gonna get the yellow, here we go, from BH Cosmetics. And with another thin brush, I'm gonna get the color Zulu here from the Nubian Juvias palette, and put that right in between. Okay, so this is what I have now. I know it looks messy. I know you don't trust the process, but once I put them lashes on, it's gonna be a whole different story, okay? And then I'm gonna take this NYX eyeliner, and then I'm gonna put that kind of like in between the crease to give it a little more definition. Okay, and I'm just gonna let this dry. So I'm gonna sit here for about 2 minutes, letting my little top part dry. And I continue, I'm gonna take the Fit Me foundation. This one is Dewy Smooth in color 230, and I'm gonna place it all over my face, of course. Today I finally went to Ulta and I bought the Colourpop concealer. I have not tried these ever, so I guess today we're gonna see how it goes. And then I got the color medium 28 because they were out on the one that I felt like was closer to my color, so I kind of went ahead and got this one. I've never tried them. They look expensive, but they're not, so let's give it a try. Okay, I don't feel it bad. Okay, so as I can see from now, it's okay. This one was $6. The other one that's also $6 is the Makeup Revolution one. I feel like it's okay. For some reason, it just feels like it's sitting on my skin. I don't really feel like it went on it or inside it. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it just feels like it's on there. Okay, and I'm gonna get the LA Pro concealer, and this one is in color Espresso. And to set, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution setting powder. This one is in Banana. I really like this one. I feel like it's super fine. I don't know, I love it. Okay, so I used the Joanns Beauty lashes. These are in color in style Dulce. For, you know, I gotta do my super light nose highlight. Cool. And then for contour, I'm gonna use the Madagascar and Morocco and mix those two together. Go over that contour I did earlier. Okay, so it is giveaway time. So we have 3 things that we're gonna give away. It is more of a small giveaway, so if you're not interested, you can either fast forward or leave the video, whatever you feel better doing. So the first thing that we have is the Makeup Revolution palette. This one I actually did get it for free. It was buy one get one free, and I picked this one up, but I figured I'm not gonna use it. I have these eyeshadows already, so we're gonna put this on the giveaway. So this is part 1. It's cute, look at it for sure. Part 2, we have this BH Cosmetics makeup palette. It is more on the blue tones, purple tones. It is really cute as well. This is part 2. And the last thing but not least, we have some Joanns Beauty eyelashes. These are super cute as well for you ladies that love big lashes like me. I use her lashes all the freaking time. Let me see if there you go. I use her lashes all the time. I love them. You can use them a lot of times. I have like these. I've used these like more than 5 times for sure. And then the other ones that I have in Style Mexicana, I use them all the freaking time. If you look at my Instagram, I use those all the time. Yeah, if you want to enter, the requirements are, you know, there's requirements. We do understand that it's small. It is small. The first thing that the first 2 things, you do have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and you do have to be subscribed to her YouTube channel. My sister's YouTube is more of a fitness orientated. She lost 30 pounds, so she's making like a vlog or journey about that on her YouTube channel. I will be linking her down below. Also, you do have to be following me on my Instagram. My name is Natalie_Orellana with 2 A's at the end, and my sister's Instagram, which is Jackie Achilles. I will be linking all the 3 things down below. So yeah, make sure you follow those. We will be choosing people in about a week or 2. So it will be ending on March 8th. So that's in about 2 weeks. So yeah, make sure you enter if you do find the things interesting. It's I know it's not any Anastasia or anything, but the things are really cute. I personally like them all so much. If you watch my videos, you know I wear Makeup Revolution all the freaking time. So yeah, make sure you enter it if you do want to. And we will be checking that people actually do follow the requirements. So one of my subscribers actually told me, she's like, you should choose people that are actually active on your account. and she is very right. So we will be choosing people that are active on our accounts. You can like our pictures, like our videos, comment on our videos, but you know, we want that interaction with you guys, and we want to create a family and build a family together. So yeah, make sure you enter it. We would really love to. I'm excited for the person that is gonna win this giveaway. So yeah, continue watching the video. I don't know if this doesn't go or not, but it don't look too bad. So for the lips, I use the Kylie Jenner liquid lips. I think this one is in color ginger. I can't see it, but I want to say that it is. So yeah, so this is the look that I did with the emoji inspired. I don't know if I I feel like I did decent. This is my first time trying to do like a halo eye look. I've been doing cut crease because I feel like those are a little bit easier, and I'm still getting used to the whole cutting and all of that since y'all girls trying to notch up the game. But yeah, this is what I did. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I do want to share what I got at Ulta. I know I haven't shaved my armpits. Okay, excuse me, whatever. So today at Ulta, I went because I was gonna go buy that white eyeliner, which I did buy. But I bought this. Look at this. This is the Makeup Revolution Glow Revolution. Is that what it's called? Well, it's pretty much prime, set, and glow. Okay, watch this. Okay, well, my light is not helping me. But okay, so pretty much it's this. I think it's a dupe. Well, it is a dupe for the Iconic setting spray. So it looks like milk, but watch this. Oh my goodness, look at that. I am so excited to use it. Look at that, oh my gosh. For my pluckers look. My dog's over there like, what are you doing? Okay. Must spray me. It doesn't smell like anything, so I'm gonna set my face now. So excited to use this. I've been wanting this ever since they like announced it, and it's $15. Okay. Oh, I feel like a woman. Ooh, and it is glittery. You know, it's not, have you seen those things where there's some things that you can buy and it'll be just like you spray it and there's like nothing on there. It's just like liquid and it won't even be like glowy. That one is glowy. Cool. Excuse my hair again. You know I don't ever do my hair. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe below. Don't forget the requirements for the giveaway. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Again, if you feel like I'm too bougie for that, for BH Cosmetics, for Makeup Revolution, you don't have to join. It's free makeup. Whoever wants it gets it, and whoever wins wins. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I really do appreciate you watching my videos. I am having so much fun making them. I don't know what else to say besides bye.